So in today's video, we are packing orders. We have rose cuticle oil pens that have to go out, and we also have some warm vanilla cuticle oil pens that have to go out, and that's what I'm bottling up at the moment. And then we also have some bath salts that have to go out today. So now I'm just going to come in and I'm going to wipe them down with alcohol just to remove any oil that may have spilled out, or if there was any oil on my gloves. This will help make sure that the labels will stick to them and not slide off or come off. So I want to remove all of the oil from off of it. So now I'm going to place them into bubble wrap just so that they don't get damaged or broken while in shipment. So now that I'm finished wrapping them, I'm going to put them into the bubble mailer with the slipping order. I'm not going to seal the bubble mailer up just yet because I still need to add the thank you card. Also, I just want to say thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you like, subscribe, and share my channel with others. Thank you.